A sum of rupee 3,903 is divided between P and Q such that the share of P at the end of 8 years is equal to the share of Q after 10 years. Find the share of P if the rate of interest is 4% compounded annually. So the amount 3909 is divided between P and Q. Okay, so let's first assume the amount that is invested in P is divided between P is X. So the amount that Q will get is 3903 minus X, right? Now let's see, in such a way that the share of P at the end of 8 years, so that means P is invested for 8 years, is equal to the share of Q at the after 10 years. So this is invested for 10 years. Find the share of P if the rate of interest is 4% compounded annually. So 4%, so the rate of interest is same for both, 4%. So now let's and it is asking us, it has already told us that the share of P and share of Q becomes equal. So that means the amount become equal. So the formula for amount in compounding interest is what? P 1 plus R by 100 over T. So let's substitute the value here. So P is what? X, and 1 plus R is what? 4 over 100 to the power T, which is 8. And this is equals to what? P, which is 3903 minus X. 1 plus R is what? 4 over 100 to the power 10. Okay, so we can cancel these out. So this is 10 minus 8, we are left with 2, right? So we get what? We get X is equals to 3903 minus X, and 4 ones are 425s are LCM gets we take LCM as 25. So 25 plus 1 we get 26. This is 25 to the power 2. So we get X is equals to 3903 minus X, and 26 square is 676 and 25 square is 625. Okay, so 625 goes here, we get 625x is equals to, and 676 and okay, we don't multiply, we keep it as it is, 3903 into 676 minus 676x, and this 676x goes here, gets added, and we get 1301x is equals to 3903 into 676. Now you can clearly see that this is multiplied by 3. Okay, so this 1301 ones are and 1301 threes are. So x is equals to 3 into 676, and I have already calculated this value. This comes out to be 2028, and this is our required answer. So option C here is the correct one.